the Jewish reader was interested in adventure. The Jewish reader was interested in writings that would introduce previously unknown worlds, like the world of Alaska or the world of northern Canada. The Jewish reader was interested in travel literature. The Jewish reader was interested in what we would call the Bildungsroman, the story of an individual who enters the world, who fights against heavy odds, who breaks down barriers to find himself and to realize his destiny. This is one reason why books like Jean Christophe were so popular in interwar Poland. The Jewish reader was navigating a very interesting interplay or tension between individualism and a collective identity, leaving the collective bonds of a traditional society, not quite sure of what it meant to develop one's individuality. And in a sense, reading literature and reading world literature provided interesting clues, interesting markers going forward.